At this point, the internet is just hostile to us. Our data gets stolen, websites are leaking everything they have, and the government has stopped pretending that it has our interests in mind, going for full-on surveillance. This is why NordVPN has moved forward, adopting the whole next-generation cybersecurity protection angle. But did it really manage to stay ahead? In this NordVPN review, I'm going to put their latest updates to the test and find out if it can protect you on today's internet. The reason why I put NordVPN above most other VPN options is its strong privacy and transparency aspects. NordVPN is based in Panama, so it's not subject to international data sharing agreements. Governments can't press NordVPN to release your browsing data. Not that it even has that in the first place. Independent audits have proven that NordVPN doesn't record a single byte of your activity. Furthermore, all of NordVPN servers are completely RAM-based, which means that hardware can't store data long-term, resulting in complete user anonymity. Doesn't matter if you're connecting to a server in the US or any of the 137 available countries, which is one of the biggest networks across the VPN market, by the way. Oh, and the recent updates also refurbished the NordVPN app UI. Personally, the new look is much cleaner and simpler than before, working faster than before as well. That applies to the NordVPN extension as well, so your browsing got an upgrade. So, if you just want to grab a VPN and be done with it, NordVPN's best deal can be found through the link in the description or this QR code. The NordVPN coupon code is already applied. Continuing the NordVPN review, it's easy to miss its connection speed. After all, it's blazing right past me. Bad jokes aside, NordVPN is one of the most advanced VPNs when it comes to connection speed. Its NordLynx protocol is proprietary, meaning it was built in-house using WireGuard as the foundation, with the best VPN security and performance in mind. So while competitors are using stock WireGuard and promise fast and secure, NordVPN manages to achieve fastest and safest, even implementing post-quantum encryption, future-proofing your internet security against threats that don't even exist yet. And I'm not just praising NordVPN for no reason. West Coast Labs did a thorough examination and put NordVPN above its peers in terms of speed. And if speed is not a priority, you can switch protocols to NordWhisper and completely avoid the restrictions of schools, office environments, or even authoritarian countries. Measures that usually kill local VPN connections are not a threat to NordVPN. With great speeds and bypassing measures come some of the most popular VPN uses, streaming and torrenting. That's where I usually rely on Smart Play to get me going. This is the feature that selects an optimal server for the streaming platform I'm using. It's auto-enabled in all the apps, by the way, so it doesn't matter if I'm using the Nord Windows app or any mobile one. All I need to do is connect to a VPN and start watching. As for torrenting, NordVPN doesn't offer any traditional features like port forwarding, since usually they jeopardize security for the sake of speed. However, NordVPN's P2P optimized servers and SOC 5 proxy support make it a great option for any P2P user, fast, efficient, and all while keeping you anonymous. And since I touched on security, let me expand a little here as well. After all, NordVPN is not all about encryption and secure data storage. In fact, NordVPN's biggest upgrade in 2026 was the transition to the next-gen antivirus. No more threat protection to block ads and trackers. No, this new feature is a genuine anti-malware tool. Of course, it can still get rid of ads and trackers and even check your software for vulnerabilities. I also noticed that NordVPN can even check search results, detecting websites related to malicious attacks or phishing. Monitoring for security is something NordVPN invested a lot in. I rely on Dark Web Monitor Pro to check if my emails, phone numbers, and credit card data have appeared in big name data breaches. After all, when there's a 24 billion credential data leak, you can't be sure if you're not affected. And if my phone number gets leaked, you know what comes next? Those shady scam calls trying to swipe me clean like a poor grandma with zero tech literacy. But even if they can't swindle me, NordVPN's scam call protection actually detects where my calls come from and alerts me if the caller is a suspected scammer. So this makes it so much easier to deal with them. Just block and report instead of answering and trying to figure out if you're talking to a real person or the scum of the earth. So If you want your browsing safe and your calls protected, check NordVPN through the link in the description to get the best deal. And if I want to avoid unsafe occurrences online, I can always connect to a double VPN or Onion over VPN specialized server. Those are chaining 2 servers together for additional security, though that does cost me my speed. To add a cherry on top, there's a free MeshNet feature. Yes, free for all users, even those without a subscription. MeshNet is a protected LAN connection tool like Hamachi or Radmin, which can be used for file sharing, co-op streaming, or gaming with friends. It's pretty sweet stuff. And on certain plans, NordVPN also comes packaged with NordPass, a great password manager which I exclusively use to generate unique, strong passwords and keep them safe. Plus, it even autofills all the info that I need without requiring me to click tons of buttons to pull my info from elsewhere. Okay, so with all that, it's time to cover NordVPN pricing. There's been quite a lot of change to the NordVPN plans in 2026, with my previous favorite, the Plus plan, going down the drain. The new king of value is Complete. So the plan with all the VPN security, the next-gen antivirus, dark web monitoring, and scam call protection. Oh, and I don't know why I'm listing things. Everything I just mentioned so far is included. And the price is fair, though you can get an even better deal through the link in the description or this QR code. So give yourself the best discount. You deserve it. The NordVPN coupon code is already applied. All right, the other 2 plans for consideration are Basic and Prime. Basic is pretty self-explanatory. It only has the foundation of VPN security. So the features that I listed above with Complete are gone. On the opposite side, NordVPN Prime holds all the features listed before alongside NordProtect, which got rebranded as Coveron. This is an identity theft protection tool that comes with US exclusive insurance against cyber extortion, online fraud, and identity fraud. It's the priciest plan, but the insurance payout is definitely worth at least that much. So here's all you have to know about NordVPN in 2026. This is the best VPN for streaming and torrenting, while providing security against threats across the board. Check the link in the description to get NordVPN with an unbeatable discount, and let me know which VPN you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.